Welcome to the garden. Today we're going to be taking care of the birds by setting up some bird houses, filling up the bird bath, and topping our feeders with seed. The first thing I want to do is clean out last year's nest. And there are several reasons for this. There are seeds, and feathers, and bird poop in here. And there can be bacteria in here, and mold, even mites. So really, to protect this year's baby birds, we want to clean out last year's nest. The birds will be perfectly fine building a new nest from scratch. One of the easiest spots to set up a hanging birdhouse is on a stumped branch like this. This one is too close to this lower branch. Look how easy it would be for a house cat or another predator to climb up here and just have really easy access to this birdhouse. So we have to pick a new spot for this one. I want to try to avoid busy areas like the front door, a bird feeder, or even directly in the garden. But if we can find an area close by, then they can browse on pests all year long. It's good to give the birds a little variety. Some don't mind a swinging birdhouse, but others really like to be anchored. So you might want to think about a pole or some kind of other stable setup. I think this one is perfect. It's close enough to the garden where the birds can take care of pests, but they won't be bothered when I go out and tend the vegetables. Now we'll give the birds a little bit of food and water just to entice them in. I hope you're taking care of the birds in your garden. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.